Join me as I take on the challenge of meal prepping for a whole week with high-volume meals to see just how great my weight loss results can be. When it comes to effective weight loss, one of the most important tools in your toolbox is meal prep. And today, we're going to talk about a specific type of meal prep that can supercharge your results: high-volume meal prep. By focusing on high-volume meals, you can fuel your body for weight loss while also saving time and reducing stress. We've all been there, trying to lose weight but struggling to stick to a healthy diet. Maybe you're short on time and end up grabbing a quick and unhealthy snack on the go. Or maybe you just can't seem to resist the temptation of junk food. Whatever the reason, it's easy to fall into unhealthy habits when we're not prepared. And that's exactly where high-volume meal prep comes in. With a solid meal prep plan in place, you can overcome common obstacles like lack of time, unhealthy snacking, and inconsistent meal planning. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to lose weight is finding the time to cook healthy meals. Between work, family, and social commitments, it's easy to put meal prep on the back burner. But the truth is, not having a plan is what's really holding you back. Without a clear plan, you're more likely to rely on takeout or fast food, which can derail even the best of intentions. And that's not even mentioning the emotional toll of feeling like you're constantly struggling to make healthy choices. Another common struggle is unhealthy snacking. We've all been there. You're at your desk, and suddenly, you're hit with a craving for something salty and crunchy. Before you know it, you've devoured an entire bag of chips, and you're left feeling guilty and frustrated. But with high-volume meal prep, you can avoid this trap altogether. By preparing healthy snacks in advance, you can curb cravings and stay on track. Inconsistent meal planning is another major obstacle to weight loss. You might start the week off strong, cooking healthy meals and sticking to your plan. But as the week goes on, life gets in the way, and before you know it, you're ordering pizza and throwing your entire plan out the window. With high-volume meal prep, you can break free from this cycle of inconsistency and create a sense of stability and routine. So, how does high-volume meal prep actually work? The idea is simple. Instead of preparing individual meals, you prep large quantities of food that can be reheated and reused throughout the week. This saves you time, reduces food waste, and ensures that you're always fueling your body with healthy, nutrient-dense foods. When it comes to choosing the right meals, focus on protein-rich foods like chicken, fish, and eggs, paired with complex carbohydrates like brown rice, quinoa, and veggies. To plan your week for maximum results, start by deciding on a few core meals that you can prep in advance. This might include a big batch of chicken and rice, or a giant salad with grilled chicken and veggies. From there, you can get creative with portioning and reheating to create a variety of different meals. The key is to focus on simplicity and convenience, without sacrificing flavor or nutrition. In conclusion, high-volume meal prep is a game-changer for anyone looking to lose weight and adopt healthy habits. By overcoming common obstacles like lack of time, unhealthy snacking, and inconsistent meal planning, you can unlock a new level of weight loss success. So, what are you waiting for? Share your own meal prep experiences in the comments below, and let me know what topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more health and wellness content. And let's get started on this high-volume meal prep journey together.